Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning and disinfecting, so you create a sterile field. This reduces infection risk and helps product absorption. Once the skin is dry and numbness is not needed, hold the Man Matters Derma roller with light pressure and roll in horizontal, vertical, and diagonal passes, about 6 to 8 passes per direction. Make sure to avoid active pimples or irritated patches. The 0.5 mm length is ideal for beginners because it stimulates collagen and opens microchannels for Minoxidil. After microneedling, you wait around 10 to 15 minutes so the microchannels start closing slightly but remain receptive. This balances absorption with safety. Next, apply the prescribed amount of Minoxidil to the treated area, usually 1 ml or per product instructions. Gently pat the solution in rather than rubbing to avoid irritation. Once done, allow it to air dry and do not cover the area for at least 1 hour. This helps the drug penetrate while minimizing transfer to other surfaces or people. You finish by cleaning the roller immediately with 70% isopropyl, letting it air dry, and storing it in its case. That keeps needles sterile for the next session. Once treated, you may see mild redness or flaking for 24 to 48 hours. Use a gentle moisturizer, but avoid other actives like retinoids. If you notice persistent burning, pus, or spreading redness, stop both rolling and Minoxidil and seek medical advice. This troubleshooting step prevents complications and directs proper treatment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.